So we've had this old door since we moved in, which was about 18 months ago, but it hasn't been the door that we wanted. It just doesn't suit the style of the house since we've done a few renovations. So we've got this big gap underneath the door. The screen door isn't a good fit and it lets all the insects in. And really hoping to make the most of that light that comes through. So I've been wanting a new front door and I found it. It was at Doors Plus and it's the Guardian 2-in-1. Doors Plus is one of those brands that is the first thing that pops into your head when you think about doors. And we weren't really sure what style of door we wanted to use. We wanted something that was modern but made sure that it still fitted in with what our family needed. We have worked with Doors Plus before. Every single time we've worked with them, we've had exceptional service in the showroom and in home during the installation, and we've never had any problem. That the whole process is just no fuss. The carpenter that we had was amazing. He was really fast and efficient. He was happy to answer all the questions that I had and did an amazing job. There was no mess left behind. We just had a beautiful new front door. From the window, the frames, the fittings, everything just looked exactly like we had planned out from start to finish. One of the things I love about the Guardian 2-in-1 is that the security screen is built there into the door, so I never have to worry about whether or not the door is left open or who's on the other side. We know that no matter what, we've either got fresh air and light coming through and there's never a security risk for the kids.